How can I control my Sharp TV without a remote?
Hello everyone. Today, we are going to learn about a common issue many of us face: how to control a Sharp TV without a remote. This could be because the remote is lost, broken, or the batteries are dead. But don't worry, there are still ways to control your TV without a remote. We will cover two main methods: using the physical buttons on the TV, and using a smartphone app.
Using the physical buttons on the TV.
Most Sharp TVs come with physical buttons which allow you to control your TV without the remote. These buttons can usually be found either on the side, the back, or the bottom edge of the television. Power button. This button turns your TV on and off. Menu button. Pressing this button opens the main menu on your TV screen. Volume buttons. These buttons increase or decrease the volume. Channel buttons. These buttons allow you to change the channel up or down. To navigate through the menu, you can usually use the volume or channel buttons to scroll up and down through options, and the power or menu button to select options. However, keep in mind that the functionality can vary from model to model.
Using a smartphone app.
Another option to control your Sharp TV without a remote is to use a smartphone app. Sharp and other companies have developed apps that can turn your smartphone into a TV remote. Here is the general process. 1. Download the Sharp TV Remote app or any other universal remote app from your phone's app store. 2. Open the app and follow the setup instructions. This typically involves connecting your smartphone to the same Wi-Fi network as your TV. 3. After setup, you can use the app to control your TV just like you would with a physical remote. Please note, your Sharp TV needs to have smart features or be connected to the internet for this method to work. And there you have it, 2 easy ways to control your Sharp TV without a remote. Remember, the physical buttons on your TV are always there for basic functions, and for a more convenient control, you can use a smartphone app. We hope this guide has been helpful, and now you can enjoy your viewing experience, even if the remote has decided to play hide and seek. Thank you for watching.